Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best kitchen faucet sprayer attachment is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can add to your kitchen sink, transforming mundane dishwashing and food prep tasks into a breeze with its enhanced maneuverability and powerful spray options. Imagine effortlessly rinsing vegetables, cleaning tight corners of your sink, or even giving your pet a quick bath without the usual splashing and hassle, all thanks to this simple yet ingenious device that upgrades your faucet's functionality to a whole new level. Number 5. Kitchen Sink Faucet Sprayer Attachment. Introducing a versatile faucet sprayer attachment designed to enhance your kitchen experience. Made with durable, high-quality materials, it's built to last and complement your existing sink. Effortlessly switch between 3 powerful spray modes with a single button. Choose from Pulse, Pulse Plus Shower, or Shower to meet all your cleaning needs with a soft yet effective water flow. Enjoy unparalleled convenience with its 360-degree swivel and extendable hose. Reach every corner of your sink with ease, making cleaning more efficient and thorough. This innovative attachment helps you save water and energy by mixing air with water for a high-pressure spray. It can reduce water consumption by up to 70% compared to standard faucets. Installation is a breeze with no tools required, and it fits most sink faucets. All necessary accessories are included for immediate use. We also offer professional service and warranty for any quality concerns. What we like? This faucet sprayer attachment offers 3 adjustable water spray modes for versatile cleaning. Its 360 degrees rotatable design with an extension hose allows you to reach every corner of your sink. If you're looking for a durable option with a premium feel, its brass metal components ensure longevity and a leak-free experience. What people say? Easy to switch from single flow to single flow with shower, or the third mode, which is shower. Strong water flow. Was amazed as the holes in the filter piece are extremely small, which creates a stronger flow because of the water pressure. Setup was straightforward, and I was able to start using this right away. The product works as described and feels well made. Great spray patterns, focused, spread, and combined. Can really deliver a targeted, forceful stream to help clean containers in prep for washing. Works well on older Delta kitchen faucets, easy to install and leak-free with enough mobility to easily direct water stream to your target. Number 4. Hygie Rinse Universal Kitchen Sink Side Sprayer Head Replacement. Tired of searching for the right replacement? This high-quality sprayer head is designed to fit most standard hoses and is compatible with major brands like Kohler, Delta, and Moen. Why replace the whole assembly when you don't have to? This sprayer head is built from durable, scratch-resistant ABS plastic, offering a long-lasting and affordable solution for your kitchen. Getting your new sprayer head installed is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary components, including washers and clips, and a clear guide to help you through the process. Designed for convenience, this compact sprayer features a simple one-thumb control for easy water dispensing. Its focus spray effectively tackles tough messes and hard-to-reach spots. Enhance your kitchen's aesthetic with its precision-engineered brushed nickel finish. This sprayer head combines modern design with exceptional functionality, making it a stylish addition to your sink. What we like? This replacement sprayer head boasts near-universal compatibility with major faucet brands, making it a cost-effective solution. Its one-thumb control design ensures effortless operation for daily tasks. If you want a stylish upgrade with a brushed nickel finish that matches modern kitchens and is easy to use, this is a great choice. What people say? It was easy to install and works well. The water pressure is gentle, but it's enough to rinse the sink out. This sink sprayer works great and was super easy to put on. The water pressure is strong and it makes rinsing dishes or cleaning the sink a breeze. The hose is plenty long enough. Worked great as a replacement for the Moen sprayer that constantly gets stuck. Didn't even need to change out the base piece that connects to the hose. This fit perfectly with the already installed Moen one. Number 3. Hygie Rinse Universal Kitchen Sink Side Sprayer. Introducing the Universal Kitchen Sink Side Sprayer, a versatile attachment designed to enhance your kitchen tasks. It offers a convenient way to clean and rinse with ease. This sprayer features a standard 1/4-foot female thread hose, ensuring compatibility with many popular faucet brands. It's designed to fit most OEM faucet side sprayer heads for a seamless replacement. We've included 3 additional adapters for even greater versatility. This ensures a proper fit with various faucet types, including Moen and Delta, making installation straightforward. Its ergonomic design allows for effortless operation with just one thumb. The high concentration nozzle provides a focused spray, perfect for tackling tough messes and reaching difficult spots. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: the sprayer head, hose, holder, adapters, and more. It's a practical, all-in-one solution for your kitchen faucet spray needs. Boasting a refined chrome finish, this sprayer not only performs exceptionally but also complements your kitchen's modern aesthetic. It's a stylish and functional addition to any sink. What we like. This kitchen sink sprayer comes with a quick connect adapter, making installation a breeze, especially for Moen faucets. It also includes a hose and holder for a complete setup. If you need a convenient, all-in-one solution with a sleek chrome finish and easy one-thumb operation, this set has you covered. What people say. Works beautifully. Easy to install. The replacement kit came with everything I needed to install the new hose. Lots of extra pieces and parts, adapters and whatnot, and some plumber's tape. Easy install, works just like the old one. Over a month and no leaks so far. Number 2. Brushed Nickel 3-Function Faucet Head Replacement Kit. Tired of your old kitchen faucet? This replacement head offers a sleek brushed nickel finish and 3 powerful spray functions to enhance your daily tasks. Worried about compatibility? Our kit includes 15 adapters, designed to fit most major faucet brands like American Standard, Moen, and Delta, ensuring a hassle-free installation. Experience ultimate convenience with 3 distinct water modes: a gentle stream for rinsing, a powerful spray for cleaning, and a flushing mode for tough stains. Easily switch between them with the intuitive buttons. No need for a plumber. This replacement head is designed for easy installation. With the included tools, you can swap out your old faucet head in just minutes. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic with a brushed nickel finish, it's built to last. The silicone nozzles are easy to clean, prevent leaks, and help save water and energy. Enjoy cleaner water with its multi-mesh aerator, which reduces splashing and filters out impurities, providing a better experience every time you use it. What we like. With an extensive 15 adapter kit, this faucet head replacement offers compatibility with a wide range of major brands. It features 3 distinct water modes for various cleaning needs, from gentle rinsing to scouring stubborn stains. If you have a specific faucet brand or are unsure about compatibility, this option provides the most flexibility and a sophisticated brushed nickel look. What people say. This has a very powerful spray. Really good for rinsing off stuff before putting in the dishwasher, and for cleaning up complex shapes like Vitamix bowls, Cuisinart fittings, etc. It was super easy to install and the 3 sprayer functions are nice. Works great. Very happy at this time. Back to having pressure out of our kitchen sink faucet. Our faucet was purchased at Lowe's Home Improvement 2 years ago and this universal replacement head worked out perfectly. Number 1. Hygie Rinse Universal Kitchen Faucet Head, Oil Rubbed Bronze. Tired of your old kitchen faucet sprayer? Upgrade to a versatile and stylish replacement that fits most major brands. It's designed to make your kitchen tasks easier. Worried about compatibility? This faucet head comes with 15 adapters, ensuring a perfect fit for brands like Kohler, Moen, and Delta. Installation is a breeze, taking just minutes without any tools. Experience 3 distinct water modes: stream, spray, and a powerful flushing mode. Easily switch between them with simple buttons to tackle any kitchen mess, from rinsing dishes to cleaning the sink. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic with an oil-rubbed bronze finish, this sprayer is built to last. The silicone nozzles are resistant to rust and easy to clean, ensuring long-term performance. This multi-mesh aerator provides a no-splash experience while filtering impurities. Its efficient design helps save water and energy, making it an eco-friendly choice for your home. Choose Hygie Rinse for a reliable and high-performing kitchen faucet sprayer. Enjoy a cleaner, more efficient kitchen with this durable and easy-to-use replacement. What we like. This faucet sprayer also comes with a comprehensive 15 adapter kit, ensuring broad compatibility with many popular faucet brands. It includes a powerful flushing mode perfect for tackling tough food debris. If you desire a unique oil-rubbed bronze finish and need a sprayer that can handle heavy-duty cleaning with ease, this model is an excellent fit. What people say. The brushed nickel is a virtual match to my sink. There's not a single scratch mark on it after 13 months. The installation was as easy as advertised. The water pressure is much stronger than the original head. The spray pattern is tight and the jet option is awesome. No leaks from the faucet head or connecting seal. Fits perfect, has many adjuster just for your sink. Maneuvers perfectly and hose right back in position. Sprays with no hesitation and lots of power. Simple installation and no power source. Lights up when the water is turned on. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.